Hey there, and welcome back to our trigonometry series. Find the maximum value of cos alpha 1 times cos alpha 2 times so on up to cos alpha n under the given restrictions. Writing cot alpha 1, cot alpha 2, and so on up to cot alpha n equals 1 in the form of cos over sine and manipulating, we get cos alpha 1 times cos alpha 2 and so on up to cos alpha n equals sine alpha 1 times sine alpha 2 times and so on up to sine alpha n, which can also be written as product of all cos alpha k equals product of all sine alpha k, where k runs from 1 to n. Now we multiply both sides by 2 cos alpha k, and that simplifies the right hand side to product of sine 2 alpha k. Since sin x is less than equal to 1 for all values of x, therefore the right hand side here will be less than equal to 1 for all values of alpha k, and the left hand side can be written as 2 raised to the power n times product of cos square alpha k, which gives us product of cos square alpha k less than equal to 1 over 2 raised to the power n, and by taking square root on both sides, we find out that the correct answer is option 1. And there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.